Hi guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make spaghetti aglio e olio, which is the most popular and famous pasta in Italy. Spaghetti aglio e olio means spaghetti with garlic and oil. Sounds pretty basic, right? Coming up. We are going to start by slicing thin 6 cloves of garlic. We are not mincing, we are not chopping. This is very specific for this dish. We want to slice it just like that. We are also going to roughly chop about half a cup of Italian parsley. We are using 1 pound of good quality spaghetti straight into the pot of hot boiling water. Push down your pasta and make sure that it gets in that boiling water. The pasta is going to cook for about 10 to 11 minutes. You want al dente pasta. It is important to know that you're cooking the pasta in salted boiling water, which I have right here, about 1 teaspoon of salt. The pasta needs to be al dente. It is essential for this recipe. The beauty of this is that we're going to make the pasta and the garlic infused olive oil at the same time. Now, while the pasta is cooking, here we have a dry, cold frying pan. To the pan, we're going to add half a cup of good quality olive oil. Garlic has a tendency to burn in hot oil. We're adding in the garlic in cold oil. We're going to turn the heat to low heat and let the garlic infuse the oil. We're going to toast the garlic to a beautiful golden brown. The trick here is to toast the garlic without getting it too dark or bitter. To the garlic and oil, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Do you see that? That's just the color you want the garlic to be. At this point, we're going to turn off the heat and add about half a cup of our boiling pasta water. And even though we turn the heat off, you need that water in there to stop the browning process. The garlic looks perfect right there. The pasta is cooked. Now we're going to drain our spaghettis. We're not going to rinse our spaghettis, we're going to drain. Do not ever rinse your spaghettis. We're dumping the spaghettis back into the pot. Now we need to get our oil straight up in the pot. I know it looks like a lot, but you know what? There's so much flavor in here. This is instant spaghetti success. Now we're going to freshly grate about 1 cup of Parmigiano-Reggiano Parmesan cheese. Highly recommended for this dish. Add in the fresh Italian parsley, some fresh ground pepper to taste. Now it's just about toasting this fantastic pasta together. And all you gotta do is give it the last little toss and serve it straight up. I know you know what time it is. It is serving time. Let's add a little more of this fabulous Parmesan cheese. Let's give it a try. Give me a minute here. Most people think that with recipes like this, there's not much point in making them, but there's so much flavor in here. With that infused garlic oil, the chili flakes, the Parmesan cheese, the parsley, it is instant pasta success. And there you guys have it. Spaghetti aglio e olio. Enjoy. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. And I think YouTube wants you to watch that recipe and that recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.